Hello, LiliiLoo friends. Let's learn the color red.
Hi, I'm Lily. Are you ready? Let's go.
Apple. Red. R-E-D. Shh. The apple is red. A red strawberry. So sweet. Yummy. Sweet red strawberry.
Red. The heart is red.
Love.
A beautiful red heart.
Red. The truck is red. Vroom. Big red fire truck. The ladybug is red. Say red with me. Little ladybug, are you red? Yes! All red!
Good job. Lily and friends. See you next time.
We learned red today. Thank you for watching, LiliiLoo kids. Bye-bye!